Best Shopkick available promo code where you can find them. To find them, you have to search the same on your Google Chrome, and then you will see the first website called dealdrop.com. On the Dealdrop website homepage, you will see there is a lot of coupon listed like 20% off, 35% off, and different type of amazing discount coupons for you. Now, the thing is, you simply have to select any of the coupon you like from this menu, and then you have to click on it, and initially you will see there is a lot of again coupons listed, but you have to click on the copy code option, then the code will be copied to your clipboard. After doing this thing, what you have to do is mainly whenever you will go to any website, you will find these QR or promo codes. This is the second website called couponchief.com in front of you, and in this website also you will get a lot of menus. Let me just click on the get promo code option, and it will display the promo code in front of me. Then I have to copy it and paste where I want it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.